We're back at Arms Unlimited with yet another machine gun. This one here, the HK PDW. It is a smaller, lighter, more compact version of the venerable MP5. What it has going for it, first off, folding stock. Makes it a very compact weapon to transport and even conceal if the need be. The barrel is shorter than an MP5. You have a vertical grip in the front with a hand stop. Your stock deploys simply by opening it and locking it into position. Once it's in the locked position, this weapon operates like every other MP5. You have your 30-round magazine. You have your cocking handle on the left side of the weapon, pulls back, lifts up into the notch. And this one, like virtually all the MP5s here at Arms Unlimited, uses the Navy trigger pack. So you have a safe, semi, and fully automatic. There's a previous weapon of this called MP5K, which looks very similar to this, but without the stock. And having shot the MP5K and then shooting this model, the one you definitely want to go with is the PDW version, because the stock makes all the difference in the world when it comes to making hits. The MP5K is a very cool gun. It's seen a lot of Hollywood action in movies, but when it comes to actually hitting targets, it's not that great. The moment you go with a stock, it changes everything, and now you can hit virtually anything you can hit with an MP5, you can hit with this. We've talked about in previous videos how the MP5 really has two ways to release the magazine. You have a button here and a paddle on the bottom. And it's a very redundant system, and what most guys end up doing is just picking the one that they like. Where this really paid off, this design paid off, is on the PDW, because when the stock is folded, the button portion is kind of blocked, but you can still reach the paddle and remove the magazine. So you can change mags with this, you can run the gun, you can take it off safe, you can do everything you need to do and fully fire it, if need be, in this folded position, and a lot of that is because of the paddle down there. Of course, like we said earlier, the best way to fire this is to open the stock, but there may be a need to have to fire it with the stock folded. And with the way the weapon is set up, you can fire it, you can reload it, you can change mags, you can do anything you need to do, even when it's folded. So that's a great feature of the PDW, that some guns you fold out there, now you can't access the mechanism, which is obviously a bad thing. On this guy, you can reach everything you need to reach and fire the weapon, even when the stock is folded.